dreadful, dreadful, causing fear or dread or terror. He told me a dreadful story. We saw a dreadful accident along the way. Cripple, cripple, someone who is physically disabled. The accident left him with a crippled leg. He is crippled and can't walk. Rift, rift. There is a rift in the road. The argument created a rift between them. Perilous, perilous, fraught with danger. The journey through the jungle was perilous. The country roads are quite perilous. Conceal, conceal, to hide or keep something secret. He is concealing the dust under the rug. She concealed her tears with smile. Shrink, shrink. The dress shrank when I washed it. The lake is shrinking in the dry season. Savory, savory, pleasing to the sense of taste. Do you prefer sweet or savory food? I prefer savory to sweet. Surround, surround. He was surrounded by children. Police surrounded the building yesterday. Rinse, rinse. To clean or wash something quickly with water. Rinse the vegetables before you cook them. I rinse my face with cold water. Stout, stout. Euphemisms for fat. He was a tall, stout man with grey hair. He cut a stout stick to help him walk. Uproot, uproot. To pull something, usually a plant. Many trees were uprooted by the storm. My gardener uprooted the old flowers. Prohibit, prohibit. Not allowed or to forbid. Smoking is prohibited in this area. Eating is prohibited in the metro. Humorous, Humorous. Full of or characterized by humor. His humorous remark made everyone laugh. He was quite humorous, and I liked that about him.